Hi guys, welcome to the short video about question what's the best budget sunscreen in 2022, especially in the era after the No-Ad. Yeah, we always have been using the No-Ad sunscreen, which was super cheap and also super good. If you never bought it, I can tell you got a bottle at least double the size of this one here, and it was only maybe $5 or $6, and it was really good, at least up to around SPF 30. It was not sticky, it was really nice, and unfortunately it was bought up by Ocean Potion, so I've been thinking they will bring it back on the market somehow, maybe for a little bit more expensive price, but with the good old good quality, but they did not. I bought this thing here, Ocean Potion SPF 15, and already SPF 15 is super sticky, very greasy, not useful. But actually I'm looking more for an SPF 30, which is the recommended sun protection factor these days for sure. So what's left? So the only things which are left and working now for our family are these two things: the sun balm, which they have SPF 30 and even higher ones, but it's a little bit pricey, but it's really good. It's not too greasy, it's really nice to apply, doesn't leave very sticky film, greasy or so oily, not at all, not even at SPF 30, but it's a little bit pricey. It's about, I think this is $12, $15, something like that. Here we are at 233 milliliters, 177. Yeah, not super expensive when we compare to some other ones, but also not super cheap. But finally I have found something which is absolutely comparable to Sun Balm, I would say, and that's the Copper Tone, also very old brand. I usually haven't been using Copper Tone a lot, but I just wanted to give it a try because I was really looking for some good alternate solution, not greasy but waterproof and not sticky and easy to apply and a little bit cheaper than this one here, and this is definitely the case here. I think this one is around $6 or $7, definitely way cheaper than these things here. It's about same size. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to read. I think it's 207 milliliters if I'm not wrong, 7 ounces. Here we have 8 ounces, here we have 6 ounces, so definitely in this area, but definitely way cheaper. You can buy it almost everywhere, and definitely at Walmart and probably at other supermarket stores. So this is my recommendation for now, and so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions, if you have found something better than that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.